Hi everyone. So today I wanted to share my own experience how I repaired my damaged skin barrier, and it's a non-sponsored video. So a few days back I was having so much of dryness all over my face, especially around my mouth, and this happened because of eczema, or you can say some kind of allergic reaction that I was facing all over my skin and other body parts. So along with the dryness I was also having burning, itching sensation and redness over my face. And at that time I was not able to tolerate a single skincare product. So I stopped using all my exfoliating agents like my retinols and AHAs. 4 skincare products literally help me out. So first I use simple cleanser with ceramide booster. It's very hydrating cleanser and it doesn't dry out my skin further. Next I use this dotnkey gel moisturizer. It has a very soothing, calming and cooling effect on the face, so it calms down the burning sensation that I was experiencing over my face, and also it's very hydrating. But as my skin was very dry at that time, so I was looking for a thicker moisturizer, and I don't know the reason why ceramide moisturizer were not working for me at that time. So I tried this Venusia derm moisturizer. It has different kinds of butter like mango butter, shea butter. So it's very moisturizing. It's kind of a thick cream that actually healed my dry patches from all over my face and around my mouth. I also switched to a mineral sunscreen by drsheth. It's very hydrating and doesn't irritate my skin further. And of course, I also took some anti-allergic medications, multivitamin and some other medicines to cure this condition properly. So yeah, I hope you find it useful. Bye.